Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 15. One special advantage of alcohol over mercury as a thermometric liquid is its A. Low freezing point, B. Low boiling point, C. High specific heat capacity, D. Low density. So in terms of thermometric liquids, that is liquids used in thermometers, you have for alcohol and you have mercury. So you have mercury thermometers and alcohol thermometers. Now, one of the advantages of alcohol over mercury is the fact that it has a low freezing point. Now, the low freezing point of an alcohol thermometer enables it to measure low temperatures. Okay, so this is one of the importance or the advantages of alcohol over mercury thermometer. So low freezing point, option A, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.